Welcome to ECNTRADE Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration.
Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you for joining me. Overnight, the Australian dollar eventually took out the support at 77.10 and from that crushed through the level of 76.65 also, with the two confirmations now puts the bears in a prime position to take on the challenge towards 75.75 and reassess from there, with the 60-day moving average underneath around 75.15. With the technical aspect negative, I do believe the market will continue its path. With the Fed keeping its rates on hold as widely expected, market rushed to US dollar safe haven interest, and therefore saw a rebound in the US dollar index, which measures the greenback strength against a basket of 6 major currencies. It is assessed now that if we get a break above 90.80, we are trading at 90.70 on the dollar index, would confirm the inverse head and shoulders and therefore see the market for the euro to fall further and look towards the region of 120 and reassess from there. Dollar yen eventually broke through the top side of 104.0525 and now puts further perspective in terms of the bull case up to 105 or maybe to 106. Keep an eye on these technicals, they are strengthening and the bullish case may continue if the yen weakness and the dollar strength continues. Looking at the pound, we rejected the level of 137.45 and that gives further risk to the downside if we see a break of 135 as a potential target. Still a bit of work to do on the downside, but I believe the bears are coming back considering the technicals are breaking down. With the pound slightly weaker and also the yen weakening too, the market is still hanging on towards its topside resistance around 142.80 for sterling yen. I do believe, keep an eye on it, the market's likely to see a bit of a rejection from there and look back towards 141 and reassess. The gold is still remaining weak after the last few days, is getting closer now to the level of 1,820. Now a break beneath there would give further concern and expose the region of 1,765. Little to say to oil as it trades sideways. Nevertheless, I still feel the market is somewhat negative and therefore look towards 49.50 and see if we can get a break beneath there, because that would expose the region around $44 to $45 a barrel. Well, that wraps it for today. Thank you very much for joining me. As always, look out for the intraday report. I hope you enjoy the rest of the day.